It has been 3 years of telling the amazing stories of Onitsha Kingdom. We have successfully told informative and educational stories while spicing it up with humor. But now, we are beating our drums across the river Niger into the farthest part of the eastern states of Nigeria. We are now Okwuo, which means talk. At Okwuo, where culture meets creativity through storytelling. We want to tell more stories of people, and we're not going to be limited by the demography. We are going to tell more inclusive stories to make you, yes you, laugh more, cry more, and as well learn more. You are also going to reflect more. Welcome to Okwuo. Welcome to the Blue Blood Arena. Okwuo.